Good morning. So today's topic is group by in Power BI. So for this, first we upload data in Power BI desktop and see the practical. So sheet name is group by. We have to select that sheet and just click on transform data. So in transform tab, you can find group by option. Basically, it is divided into two parts: basic and advanced. First, we see basic group by. Here, I'm going to group by this data by country. We have these operations available in group by option: sum, average, median, mean, max, count rows, count distinct rows, and all rows. So we see sum option here, and we have to do this sum operation on the column lead price and want to group by this data by country. Just click on OK button. We got our output. If you analyze this data, we can find maximum lead price is from United States. So we got maximum business from United States. Now we see advanced option in group by. For that, you have to click on this symbol. This symbol, it will help us to edit our last step. So here in advanced option, we can add more criteria in group by option. You have to click on add grouping. Now we want to group this data by industry. First it group by country and then industry. So new column name is sum of lead price by country and industry. Again operation is same, sum, and the column is lead price, and click on OK. So here we got our expected result. So from United States and the industries computer software, we got 17,625 lead price. So if you want to sort this data, you can sort it in ascending order. It will help us to analyze data more accurately. If I select, you have to just click on filter, and if I want to know about it only for United States, just click on United States and click on OK button. Now for United States and respective industry wise, we got lead price. So here maximum business is from information technology and services industry, and here we can, I'm going to sort by ascending, and here lowest business is from venture capital and private equity industry. So this is the use of group by. Thank you for watching my video. Subscribe my YouTube channel Job at Punyanagari, and please like, share and comment on all videos. Thank you.